Especially if you're a solo creator or you're just starting out, this is an awesome combo kit here. This is going to give you a nice LED light. It's a phone holder. You know, it's got a weighted base, so you can actually get top-down shots with this as well. I can move this all over the place if I want to extend this out, and you know, I can get this and set this up all the way to where it's outside of my frame, and you know, helps me with my lighting and everything. This is really cool. I wish I had something like this when I first started out. They did not have anything like this back in like 2015, really, when I was first getting into content creation. People are doing all kinds of DIY setups for getting top-down shots. So this is also amazing for getting a really professional looking top-down shot. So if you're someone like me who does review videos, you know, maybe tutorials and things like that, I can set this up right here. This will swing around actually like 360 degrees. I can flip this, you know, facing down at my tabletop. And then there's a phone mount in here where I can just put my iPhone in here, and my iPhone shots honestly come out great. That's what I use for all my videos. I do this professionally, and I just, you know, typically take 4K shots with my iPhone and get some top-down footage that looks like this. So it's really cool. If I want to just, you know, set this up and maybe like film a short video or something, I can set this up like so. The phone grip in here will do a 180-degree flip. I can get my phone in here, set it up like so, and then boom, I'm ready to just shoot like this in here. So this is really cool too, because then depending on, you know, the lighting you need, I plug this in to a wall outlet. You just need your own charging brick because it's USB-A on the end. And then I can go through here. This is more of the warm light. This is a cool white light, and then back to kind of more of like the intermediate. So typically I like the intermediate. The warm is usually kind of too warm looking for me, so I don't love that usually. And then you can increase and decrease your actual brightness. So if you need, you know, a little bit more, you can see this is pretty good amount of light. And if I had this up on my, you know, face, for example, but if you just need a little bit, and maybe you're doing just, you know, a little bit to add into the scene. If I had this up here, you can see, for example, if we had this off and on, you know, just using this as a little bit of a fill light makes a pretty big difference. So especially when you're doing those top-down shots, if I put this down back to here and maybe I'm shooting like a phone case video or something, this is awesome because I can just shoot everything here. I can have it flipped around where I can see the phone screen. And this is gonna really up your shots and the quality in some of your videos. The biggest thing is having something that is not gonna move around. If something's, you know, really kind of bouncing around, you know, you can see, you've probably seen content creators who are shooting things using like a webcam that's on their computer, and they bounce and accidentally hit it and it starts kind of wobbling around. With this, I like that you have a really nice heavy duty base on here. I have it on the floor right now and I can still get these tabletop shots. The other, you know, perk of that not being like on the table is if I do bump the table here, you're not gonna see the actual bump go through into my iPhone here when I'm doing my top-down shots. You're inevitably gonna, like, you know, knock the table or desk or whatever you're shooting on. And again, if you have something that's mounted directly onto your table, that's gonna come through in the footage. If I have this base on the ground like this, it is not, and it's gonna look great. So you can fully customize this. You know, the heights, everything, how close and far away it is from you. It's kind of got this spring-loaded design. They do give you for a modification the clamp where you can clamp this onto a desk instead of going into this base right here. I could put it on the edge of my tabletop here if I wanted. So if that is more convenient for you and you don't want to use this weighted base, then you don't have to, and you can kind of change it up as you need. This phone mount part on here, it's made out of plastic, but this also has another spot on here where it's basically like a cold shoe mount. So it's got a plastic little insert here. So that worked out great for sticking one of my DJI mics in there. You can see I'm wearing it right now, but if I wanted to just slide that on here while I'm doing one of those top-down shots, I don't have to have it on me. Sometimes when you're talking down like this versus talking and projecting forward, you know, it starts kind of changing your audio decibel levels and you get real loud and a little more quiet. So I like on this here, I can set this up, you know, put my microphone right on here, and if I'm standing up and, you know, talking into this or showing something, I'm just constantly looking down at my screen anyway, seeing what I'm doing, and my audio is all going right to that microphone that I can just kind of clip in right here. There is also like a hex bolt on here. So I do believe you'd be able to take that off and switch out this phone mount if you'd want to change it out to a different one, or maybe even possibly a MagSafe one. I do have a MagSafe phone mount, and I'd be interested to see if I can do that with this. But if you're looking at this though, I think this is definitely gonna help you, upgrade your quality of your videos, live streams, your shorts and things like that. The biggest thing though, like I said, is I would love this for a top-down setup. I think I'm gonna use this down here and keep this where I'm at. Anytime you're doing any tutorials, or a lot of time I'm showing off phone cases like this, I'm making different reviews, showing different parts of the phone and accessories and things like that. I love having something like this for that, and this just makes it super easy to do. So if you want to grab one of these, there's going to be a link in the comments and description. Make sure to subscribe for more creator tech reviews like this, and I'll see you on the next one.